Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable others to message you on Likee. So let's get started. Firstly, open Likee app in your device, then tap on profile icon, next tap on three dots icon, then tap on settings. After that, tap on privacy. Next, tap on who can message me. After that, tap on disable. So this is how you can disable others to message you on Likee. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.